Hey guys, we're just gonna unbox this right now. Now let me just show you around the box. Just in case there's something on the website you guys did not see. There's a little bit more information around the box. It does have 3-year warranty, which is awesome. And let's just open this up. Alright, so this side, what do we have? We've got all of this, which is good to have. Now let's take a look at everything else. Here's the cable. Here's what we actually bought. Seems good, pretty heavy-ish. Feels good. All right, let's just put this on the side. And last but not least, we got the instructions in here. So here they are. So the most important part about the instructions is this part, just knowing how this actually works. Other than that, you guys don't really have to worry about this because I will do a manual and a review about this tool right here. So right here is everything you would get inside the box. There's nothing more. This is just the cord. Let me just take it out. So here we go. Let me just do a close-up of the tool itself so you guys can get a good glance on it. It's a pretty simple tool. There's nothing to it really. And sadly, we didn't get a case for this. It would have been awesome to get one. But it's pretty small, so we can fit it in a small case. That's the top of it. And yes, it's all just plastic. Now let's just open this up. And we're just gonna take a look at what just came in here. So we've got this floating disc around, all right. We did get this little guy as well. But there's a bunch of little discs right here. Plus, there's actually quite a bit that we get with this whole set. Quite a bit. So you guys may notice this right here, this is plastic by the way. These other guys are metal. Then we got these guys that feel like rubber around. Yep, rubbery. Guessing these are the ones that you guys are gonna use the most, because this will be for sanding. There's a few of these, and we've got a bunch of discs as well. And I just want to highlight these guys right here because this is for fine detail, and this is part of the package. So it's pretty cool that we get this stuff right here. And now I'm just gonna move this out of the way because I see some pieces that are left right here. So there's other pieces right here that we would need, including this guy. But anyways, as far as an unboxing goes, that would be it. There's not much into the tool itself. Anyways, the way that this works is pretty easy. I will be doing a manual on this so you guys can see how it works. But I kind of just showed you the most basic step when it comes down into using this. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.